pleasant day each and everyone. I'm Engineer Cadet Manantan from Bravo Company, and in this video, I will discuss the importance of preserving safety in the industry. So, what is the load line? Load line, also called as the Plimsoll mark, is an indicating the extent to which the weight of a load may safely submerge a ship by way of a waterline limit. It is a special markings positioned amidship on the boat side of the vessel and hull, and indicates the draft of the ship, which depicts the draft of the vessel and the maximum permitted limit in distinct types of waters which the ship can be loaded. Also, the load line convention includes the three annexes, which is Annex 1 is divided into 4 chapters. So the chapter 1 is the general. So my example of this is the strength of hull, types of hull, definitions in markings. So the chapter 2, which is the condition of assignment of the freeboard. So the chapter 3 is the freeboard, which is the evaluation of the freeboard in terms of the geographical and physical characteristics of any ship. And the chapter 4, which is the special requirements for ships assigned timber freeboard. And also the Annex 2, which is the defined zone areas of the sectional period which appropriate to the various load line markings. And the Annex 3 is the prescribe the form and scopes of the certificates, including the International Load Line Certificates and the International Load Line Exemption Certificates. So, in 1966, Load Line Convention adopted by the IMO. So, the primary goal of load lines is also to prevent ships from being overloaded, significantly increase the risk of capsizing, structural failure, and sinking. By establishing the minimum permissible draft, load lines ensure that the vessel maintaining the reverse buoyancy and ensuring the stability and the proper adherence to load line regulations, help the vessels equilibrium, especially in rough seas. Also, they ensure that they have a mandatory inspection in the proper loading distribution. And also, they ensure the maintenance structural integrity, and also the International Load Line Convention provides a standardized set of regulations that they are enforced worldwide. This ensures the consistency and promotes safety across the global shipping industry. And also, the Load Line Convention play a very crucial role preventing accidents that lead to oil spill or other forms of marine pollution by ensuring the ships are seaworthy and stable. The convention contributes to the safety and efficient transport of goods, which is essential for global trade and the economy. So, in summary, the Load Line Convention established a universal system of load lines for ships, aiming to safeguard life at sea and protecting marine environment by preventing the overloading. So, if you see the definitions or markings of both sides of the ship, of the hull, is not just a mark. It is a lifesaver and different seasons and for our marine environment.